Today, we will talk about the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of a group of numbers is the largest value that can be divided into the group of values. The greatest common factor of a group of common variables is the variable with the smallest exponent. To factor out the greatest common factor, we'll do a few things. We'll write down the greatest common factor. Then we'll divide each term of the expression by the greatest common factor, and then we'll show multiplication between the greatest common factor and the remaining expression using parentheses around the expression. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we are to factor out the greatest common factor. For the numbers, we have 6, 14, and 20. Because all of our numbers are even numbers, they're all divisible by 2. So 2 is part of the greatest common factor. When I look at my variables, I have x to the 5th, x to the 4th, and x squared. The greatest common factor for my variables is the variable with the smallest exponent seen. So here, the smallest exponent we see is x squared. So our greatest common factor will be 2x squared. We'll divide each term by 2x squared. Six divided by 2 is 3. X to the 5th divided by x squared is x to the 3rd. The minus 14 divided by 2 will leave us a minus 7. X to the 4th divided by x squared is x squared, and a positive 20 divided by 2 is a positive 10. The x squared over x squared, the x squared simplify to 1 on this last term. So after factoring out the greatest common factor, we have 2x squared times 3x to the 3rd minus 7x squared plus 10.